Hello, people. It's me, James. We'll be doing a slime. I got a mesh ball. It was broken, so I couldn't open. Here's like half of it. And I made it into slime. I'll take the slime out of it. Oh, I keep looking at the camera. Look, there it is. I'm gonna do some ASMR. Can't get a good view. Okay, let's try it. I'm aggressive. Stuck. Oh, it's getting out. Okay. Look at that. So let me give it a starting point. Look at that slime. Oh. Sorry if this is... Oh my god. What happened? Sorry if this is hard for you to see. Made with 5 fingers. It's a stain stuff. Alright. Goodbye. Wait. Okay. This will be the end of this video. Hope you like it. And goodbye. Do 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 do.